So we've decided to go on a trip from Port Canaveral down to West Palm, or at least head south and see where it takes us. I'm down in the engine room and about to do my pre-underway checks of the engine room. This is the first page of the pre-underway checklist, startup checklist. I did run the engines yesterday as a check. So now I'm just going to do a scan through all of these checks. Check the wing engine for obviously the drip pan for oil leaks, and then the PTO and hydraulic fittings. Check the engine oil, the belts, the scan overall. Same for the hydraulic cooling pumps over the whole of the port side of the engine room. Check the generator for its coolant, and then do the same thing for the main engine on the port side. Check the generator. Perfect. Good coolant. Everything is in good shape on the generator. Just checking the cables, all okay. There's no fuel leaks down the bottom. Alternator wires are all in good shape. Everything's generally okay. Hydraulic oil for the stabilizers is fine. No signs of any leaks. General scan on this side. We're in pretty good condition. Here I'm going to check the fuel valves are all in the right place. The return manifold from main engine, return to the aft starboard, wing engine and generator returns all open. Down to the supply, we're going to supply from the aft starboard tank, which we use as the day tank. Main engine open, wing open, generator open, everything else is closed. The transfer manifold, all valves are closed. So we are good to go in terms of fuel supply and feed and return. Next we go to the starboard side of the engine room and check everything on the starboard side. So now we're on the starboard side of the engine room, and I've just done the fuel manifold as I said. So now I've just got to check the belts, which are generally okay. I can see them okay. The coolant level is on this gauge here, which is above 4. So we're good on coolant level. Generator on this side, the alternator on this side is good. Gear oil level yeah, we do that when the engine's warm. Overall scan is good. Starboard aft is all good. Fuel manifold, as I said, I've just done. We've got 150 in the port side, 220 in the aft starboard. Checked all the manifolds, checked the fuel filters, loose items. So we're good to go until we start the engine and warm up. And that is a very quick engine room check. Independence of the Seas, followed by a bulk carrier and a Carnival cruise ship down the channel here in Port Canaveral. On our way out to sea here. Good morning. Sun's just starting to show its signs here in Fort Pierce. We've tested the engines and we're about to start hauling the anchor. Gonna head home after a nice run down. Looking forward to an amazing morning. So the Admiral's brought us out today. I picked up the anchor and with minimal supervision she's done an amazing job from the starboard bridge wing. Eyes on the prize, girl, eyes on the prize. Well, it is a much different day to yesterday. An amazing sunrise as Canaveral comes out into the ocean. What a beautiful, beautiful sunrise. Should be a great day out on the water. Carnival Mardi Gras cruise ship just completing loading of liquid natural gas for her fuel. After we pass the Mardi Gras, we see another cruise ship up by the Grills restaurant, and then onwards ahead we see yet 5 more cruise ships as we approach our marina. Leaving Norwegian Escape astern, we start to turn to port and come down the finger towards the berth spot, which is on the port hand side of the boat. Once we are abreast of the dock, we start to turn to starboard, the rudder hard to starboard, kick on the engine, then kick astern, kick ahead, kick astern, use the bow thruster, and she comes round. Gentle, small engine movements. She comes around quite nicely, with the Admiral giving me distance readings from aft. We have about 6 to 9 inches on either side of the boat into this slip. As you come astern, you see occasional kicks ahead on the engine with the rudder hard to starboard. This keeps the stern off the dock. As we move astern, I give her a final few kicks ahead to bring her to a stop. And that's mission accomplished. One of the things we love about being docked in Port Canaveral is watching the rocket launchers. This particular launch was a SpaceX launch around lunchtime, which I took off the foredeck of Canaveral. It was quite impressive. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and watch for further videos.